Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to this video on making crispy, spicy buffalo chicken wings. In part 1, we'll cover what makes buffalo wings special, their history, and how to prep them at home for maximum flavor. Picture this. The game is on, friends are talking over each other, and a big plate of steaming hot buffalo chicken wings hits the table. The smell of butter, hot sauce, and crispy chicken fills the room. Everyone reaches in at once. Buffalo wings are simple. They are small chicken wings, fried or baked until crisp, then coated in a spicy, tangy, buttery sauce. They get their name from Buffalo, New York, not from the animal. People love them because they are fun to share, easy to flavor, and perfect for parties, bars, and quiet nights at home. In this guide, you will see what makes a buffalo wing special, how to make them at home, and how to serve them with dips and sides that everyone will enjoy. What are buffalo chicken wings and why do people love them? Buffalo chicken wings are split chicken wings, usually drums and flats, cooked until the skin turns crisp and the meat stays juicy. After cooking, they are tossed in a simple sauce made from hot sauce and melted butter. The result is spicy, tangy, and rich at the same time. They are different from many other chicken dishes because they are made for eating with your hands. Wings are social food. A big platter on the table invites people together, talk and snack over time. One person likes extra napkins, another likes extra sauce. Everyone eats at their own pace. Flavor is the other big reason they are so popular. The heat from the hot sauce wakes up your taste buds, while the butter smooths things out. The vinegar in the sauce cuts through the fat and keeps each bite bright instead of heavy. Pair that with cold drinks and a cool dip, and you have a simple meal that feels special. Buffalo wings also fit many events. They work for game day, house parties, backyard cookouts, or a casual dinner. You can make them mild for kids, medium for most people, or very hot for spice fans. The same basic recipe can fit many crowds. A quick origin story of buffalo wings. Most stories point to Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York in the 1960s. The owner, Teresa Bellissimo, is said to have tossed leftover wings in hot sauce as a late-night snack for her son and his friends. They caught on as bar food, then as game day food, and soon became a classic across the country. What makes a buffalo wing different from other chicken wings? Buffalo wings are usually deep-fried in oil, or baked or air-fried at home, then coated in buffalo sauce while they are still hot. This keeps the skin crisp under a glossy layer of sauce. That's the end of part 1 of our buffalo wings video. We've looked at the origins, key traits, and prep tips to get started. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.